So good. I learned the difference between white coffee and Vietnamese coffee. So Vietnamese coffee is black coffee with condensed milk and fresh milk. No, sorry, that's white coffee. Vietnamese is black coffee with condensed milk only. So I just got done at the cafe. I was waiting for my friend Kai, but he's not able to make it anymore. Guess I've got to pick my own ukulele. I'm very excited. I don't even know what's a reasonable cost for a ukulele. Done no research, but I'm just gonna pick the one which feels right, which sounds good, which looks good. Oh, that sounds like a harp. A little bit. No, not that one. Oh, that's nice. Same strings?
Yeah.
Okay. They all sound different. I didn't think it would be so hard. I have expensive taste, guys. Why did I pick the most expensive ukulele in the whole shop? But I just like the feel of it. I like the sound. I could pay the price for a full price guitar, but I don't care. That's the one I wanted, and I think it sounds really nice. I liked this one as well, but I just didn't like the colour. I've bought a little guitar, guys. So cute. Good afternoon. It is 25 to 5. I've had a very lazy couple of days. I've been overeating. It's not a joke at this point. And guess what? I've got a food tour today, so I was supposed to be fasting, but I didn't check my diary, so I've got a food tour today. Just ordered my Grab. Literally, the Grab gets here before you can get out of your apartment. So funny and bright. See all the boats over there? I might go on one of the sunset cruises. You just gotta go apparently. You see why I'm hesitant to get a scooter. That was a really nice ride. I've been in my room the last few days, so it's nice to be out and remember how beautiful this region is. Anyway, so I'm gonna wait here for Ariana and the tour guide. We're going to 5 places. 4 food places, 1 coffee place. I'm so excited. And our lovely tour guide doesn't mind if we record. We did ask. Yes.
Let's try and tell me what is this.
Let me try.
Okay.
Let me try. No, you're not recording me.
Okay.
This
Deep
it?
in the fish sauce. Let's try.
It's actually very, very good. And what's in this?
So can you guess what is inside?
Is it seeds?
Seed and
Onion? I don't know.
mushroom. Let's try. It's different. Really.
What is this?
So you have this one here. This one is onion.
Onion.
Onions. Okay. But this one,
Yeah.
it's dry pork.
Oh.
Yeah, pork. With rice.
It's just such a different texture.
So we will go to the next one. The next one we will try the noodle. Other places.
We're here. We're not here. She said it's like that, but somewhere else. I'll have to go back because I need a dress. Need a traditional dress by any means. Look at me. I just love how you just walk by and everywhere has so much character. There's so much going on. I love it.
The old house and our parents do the business.
Ah, okay. Everyone says hello. And they ask where you're from. It's very cute. It smells like seafood.
Bún chả cá. Bún chả chả cá. Yeah, exactly.
Bún chả cá.
Yes.
Ample seating. Not sure what we're gonna eat here. We're completely stuffed still, so we shall do our best.
Oh my gosh, so cute. And the BBQ pork, and then you try the BBQ beef. Then we try with this one with the garlic. But inside it also have the beef pork.
Ah,
Yeah.
pancake, delicious.
Powder and the two. Maybe the stomach tell us to stop, but
My gosh, you have to. Ah! Sorry, why am I panicking? They just started accelerating, and I was like, dang! On the other side, they slow down. They don't accelerate. She just turns into.
what's up?
As if there is any room left.
Girl.
It felt like onions. Something like after I eat it, I feel like that's on my tongue.
Yeah.
I don't like that with fruit.
Had a lovely walk here, about 15-20 minute stroll. So yes, it looks really good online. It looks to be closed. Clearly there's light coming from inside, so we are gonna go inside. Do you want me to open the door?
I'm trying to figure out how to.
I'm scared. Wow.
Very nice.
Y'all, I'm so tired. Must have got about 2 hours sleep. It is 7:15, waiting for my grab. We just got dropped off. Get a coffee, of course, whilst we wait for the other tour guide customers to arrive. Warm? Warm, please. Yeah, warm. Yeah? Girl, I can't have another cold. I can't another cold coffee right now. My system can't. I shouldn't even be doing this right now. I'm already very bloated and I'm adding dairy to that mixture, but it is what it is. Mind your business.
I can use that one to make tea. When we put hot water inside and squeeze a little bit lemon, it will turn the pink color or the bubble color. And then they put on the stone machine to grind it like this to make the first one. With the first one here, we can make some pancake or some noodles.
We're both very fragile today. Xin chào.
Xin chào, good morning.
Xin chào.
Yeah.
Woo!
Gentle. Nice and slow.
Oh, this is nice.
You want to try?
They have popcorn on the end. What is
I have no idea. It looks like a bit of fish, maybe.
Crab eat fish?
Yeah.
What is that? What is that? Fish?
No, pork.
Pork. Of course it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my gosh!
Oh, I got it.
Wow!
Gotcha. Yeah. Yeah. Hard, very hard.
I'm living my best life.
I'm chilling. Yeah, no, I'm good. I caught that one and I'm good.
I still need to prove myself, yeah.
No.
Thank you, everyone. Put your fish here, please. Yeah, when you finish, put your fish. Not too much.
I would prefer to cook it more, but my stove has been turned off.
Together. Do you know when you deep fry something? How do we know the oil hot, everyone? Water? Exploding.
Something in.
Yeah, that's right. We use chopstick in the middle. Bubbles around. Chopstick is being hot, and then we put string down in. We eat with steamed rice together. Look at everybody pour water and then fire on. Shake it, make fire long and big. Keep smiling all the time. Pour water and then fire gonna be like that. Shake it.
Today was really, really nice. Don't get me wrong, but I am so tired. It's 25 to 2. I'm gonna have an hour nap, maybe 2. So, I'm not leaving my room again today. It's not happening.
I'm done. Cut the show. I'm done.